we are going to discuss some solution related to R.S. Agarwal mathematics book, R.S. Agarwal of exercise 14, as you can see, exercise 14. Now, first question number 1 of exercise 14 related to height and distance. Now again I am telling you that you should revise the solved example that is given in your R.S. Agarwal mathematics book, so that you will understand the solution of the exercise more frequently. Now here in exercise 14 several questions are given. I am solving right now this question, and the previous questions that is given in the examples that you have to solve yourself. Okay, if you have any problem then tell me in in my comment box. Now here in question number 1, so a tower stands vertically. Question number 1, the tower stands standing vertically on the ground, on the point and the ground which is 20 meter away from the foot of the tower. Now I'm just writing a point over here. This is a point P, and this point is 20 meter away from this tower, from the feet of the tower. Now the angle of elevation, its top is found 60 degree. So the angle of elevation, so if we take, actually this is not correct, total correct picture. So this is angle of elevation. Now this is the, if we draw, this is the angle of elevation, this is the angle of elevation. If we take this angle of elevation, so P, I am writing here P, this is A, this is B, and the height of the tower we are taking 8 meter. This is the height of the tower. Okay, now we have to find the height of the tower, and here it is given that root 3 is equal to 1.732. so obviously this is the right angle triangle where this angle is 90 degree. So from triangle PAB we are writing that tan 60 degree is equals to BA by PA. Okay, height by base. Now tan 60 degree, the value of tan 60 degree is root 3, that's equals to BA means H and PA means 20. So H is equal to 20 root 3. Now we have to calculate it, that is H is equal to 20 into 1.732. If we do the calculation, we are getting the values. So if we do the calculation, we are getting the value, this is equal to 34.64 meter. So height of the tower is 34.64 meter. Next, move to another question. Question definitely come to your, will be come to your screen. So next come to question number 3. Now here the observer is 1.6 meter tall. Observer is 1.6 meter tall and is 45 meter away from the tower. So if we draw the tower, that is, suppose we are drawing the tower over here. This is the tower. Okay. The angle of elevation from his eye to top to tower is 30 degree. So this angle is 30 degree. So this is the base. So this angle is 30 degree. Hope you are able to see. This angle is 30 degree, and this is a right angle triangle. So the proper picture, this is not. So here this is 40, this is A, I am taking this A, this is B, and this is 45 meter. This is the observer's height, and the height of the tower is not given here. The angle of elevation, this is 30 degree. So obviously this is also 45 meter. This is 30 degree. So here the total height of the tower is CA, so that's equals to BA plus BC. Now if we draw, this is equal to 45, this is equal to 1.6, so obviously BA, this is equal to 1.6 meter. Now if we find the height of this CB, so our math should be done. Now from the triangle, I am writing AB, this is D here. From triangle ABD, tan 30 degree is equal to BC by BD. Now the value of tan 30 is 1 by root 3, that's equal to BC. The value of BC is equal to, we don't know, I am writing the value BC. We have to find BC is equal to BD. What is the value of BD? 45. So BC is equal to 45 by root 3. Hope you are understood. Now if we calculate here 45 by root 3, so that's equals to, this is 45 by root 3 into root 3 into root 3. By rationalizing the denominator, you know this is 45 root 3 by 3, 15. So 15 root 3, BC is equal to 15 root 3. The height of the tower that's equals to BA. BA means 1.6 plus 15 root 3. Meter. Now here it is given that 15 root 3, we have to use the value of root 3, that is root 3 is given 1.732. So here, now if we calculate the value of 15 root 3, that will become 25.98 meter. So total if we done, (27.58) 27.58 meter. So this is the height of the tower. Okay, hope it is visible to you. This is the height of the tower. Let's move to another question. Now question number 5 is a different kind of question. Question number 5. So here let the height of the lamp post be this. This is the lamp post. Okay, and it's the distance from 3 meter away. It's the 3 meter away. So from 3 meter away, 1.5 meter tall. This is 1.5 meter tall guy or tall boy. That is now it's cast a shadow of 4.5 centimeter. Casting a shadow of 4.5 centimeter. So we are actually in height and distance we have to draw the image very clearly. If we draw the image, then our math should be done. Now here this is 4.5 meter, obviously this is 1.6 meter, and let us take this height be h, and it is away 3 meter away, and this is 4.5 meter, 3 meter away. Okay, so if we complete this triangle A B C D, E, we are completing this triangle. Now this is the angle of elevation, angle EAB. From we have to consider the triangle ACD. From triangle ACD, base is equal to AC, that's equal to 4.5 plus 3, that's equal to 7.5 meter. Okay, 7.5 meter. Now, and this angle of elevation is not given. So here we can write that we are taking this as theta. So tan theta is equal to EB by AB from triangle ABE. Okay, from triangle ABE, first we are writing from triangle ABE, first we are writing tan theta is equal to EB by AB. So tan theta is equal to 1.5 by 4.5. Tan theta is equal to so this tan theta is equal to 1 by 3. Now we are considering the triangle ACD. We are considering the triangle ACD. So here angle of elevation should be same. So tan theta should be CD by AD. Okay. Tan theta is equal to the value of CD, again I am looking from it. So again from the figure, AC is equal to 4.5 meter plus 3 meter. Okay, and DC is equal to H. This is CD by AC. So this CD, the height of CD is equal to H. This is plus 4.5 by 3. Value of tan theta is 1 by 3 is equal to H by 7.5. So H is equal to 7.5 by 3, 2.5. Okay. So the height of the tower, height of the lamp post is equal to 2.5 meter. Understood? Next, Moving to another question. Next, question number 6. It is given that the building is, this is the building, and from the point A, point A, the ground is the angle of elevation is 30 degree. So the angle of elevation, this angle of elevation is 30 degree. Okay. On moving the distance 30 meter toward 30 meter toward its base, the point B, this is the point B. The point B, the angle of elevation changes to 45 degree. So this angle is 45 degree. Angle is 45 degree. Find the height of the building. We have to find the height of the building. This is the building. If we draw the building over here, this is the building. Okay. So this is the point A that is given. We are taking this as O, this as D. Now we are taking, how we can solve this question. This is a different type of question. Now how we can solve this question? We are taking this OB as x meter and this height as h. Okay. Now from triangle OBD, tan 45 degree is equal to OD by OB. Value of tan 45 degree is 1, that's equal to OD. What is OD? OD is equal to h. What is OB? OB is equal to x. So here obviously h is equal to x. So this is my equation number 1. Next, move to second part, that is from triangle ODA, tan 30 degree is equal to OD by OA. Value of tan 30 degree is 1 by root 3, that's equals to OD. What is OD? OD is equal to h. Now OA, what is OA? OB plus BA, that is x plus 30. So obviously h is equal to, or from here we can write that x plus 30 is equal to root 3h, or x is equal to root 3h minus 30. This is equation number 2. From equation 1 and 2 we get h is equal to root 3h minus 30, that's equals to 30 is equal to h into root 3 minus 1. So 30 is equal to h into 1.732 minus 1, that is h is equal to 30 by 0.732. Again we have to do the calculation. So if we do the calculation, we are getting 40.98 up to 2 place of decimal representation. This is equal to 40.98 meter. So the height of the tower, the height of the building 40.98 meter and the distance its base and its distance from A, that's equals to 40.98 plus 30 meter, that's equal to 70.98 meter. Okay, so that's it for this video. Hope you are able to understand it. We will meet some more videos related to this chapter. This is a very important chapter, height and distance, and we are following R.S. Agarwal obviously. So till then, keep watching my channel. I will definitely provide you some solution, another important solution this related to this chapter. Okay, so please do subscribe my channel and stay with us, and please support me. Thank you.